It's just changing, flipping through the channels. This is new. It hasn't done this. This is getting radical. Volume on and off. It hangs up on calls. It's really a mess. It's doing the same thing to my DIC in the center. Can't keep it on my speedometer. Well, the first thing we need to do is get this outside bezel off. So I've got my little plastic tools. I need to look. I saw somewhere where there might be some screws somewhere. So I'm going to try and slowly pry it out and be careful. So, popping it around. Now I'm going to unplug the heated and air-conditioned seats. So the panel is down in here. So it looks like I need to first take off these nuts. So I will get the nut driver. It looks like there's 4 of them. I took the 4 nuts off with the nut driver. The screws actually. But there was these little clips. So I was a little worried about popping that out of there. But it just came right out. So now, looks like these are Torx. We'll take that screen off. I'm going to unplug everything and just take it out. I took out the screws here, here, here. I loosened these. And then there. To bring this, I think I should have probably, I think I did this wrong. So you probably need to remove all these screws, and then this black housing comes off with the screen behind it. I'll try that. So that is the case. Take those rest of those screws out, and the screen comes out, and you can see this gold piece that covers the frame. That's the bad digitizer. That's what we're going to have to replace. So I'm going to remove it from the circuit board there. It should just pull, the ribbon should just pull out. Don't want to damage that one to the circuit board. So it's pretty messy. The new one comes with glass. And without trying to damage anything underneath, I'm slowly peeling it off, getting the membrane, and then I'll clean the surface. I finally got it free around the edges, and it peels back. I will clean all this surface glue off, and then we will apply our new special glue. Clean it, and put the new one down. So you clean all the surfaces around the silver. That's what's going to bond the new screen. This is the glue that's recommended by a bunch of people. I'm going to give it a try. Everything, including the new screen, digitizer, the glue will be listed below. This leaves it, you just roll it over and it leaves a film around the outside. Peel off the screens, glue it down. I ran the glue around the outside, lined it up, I pressed it down. Now we'll put the tabs back together. See how we go. This little bar comes up. Take our circuit board, the direction it was, and it's got little tabs. You can see on the ends of it. They'll go down in there, and then we'll close that bar. We'll do the same to this piece. Okay, this is the finished pieces as they're together. You put them in there till the tabs lock, and then snap the cover over them. All of them are back. We'll just reassemble as we took it apart. Well, there's some glare from the sun, but it's, I don't know, probably 3-4 months later. I've put 5 to 10,000 miles on the truck, and it's running pretty good. I do a lot of highway driving. Radio's on a long time. And so far, so good. There you go.